Welcome to Eastern Paradigm. I am Priya. A powerful earthquake with a magnitude of 7.6 struck the coast of central Japan near the Noto peninsula in Ishikawa prefecture on New Year's Day. At least 48 people have been reported dead, with fears that casualties could rise as rescue teams face difficulties assessing remote areas. This quake triggered the country's first major tsunami warning since the devastating 2011 earthquake and tsunami that claimed over 18,000 lives. Prime Minister Fumio Kishida described the damage as widespread, noting collapsed buildings, fires, and substantial destruction in various areas. The northern tip of the Noto peninsula suffered severe infrastructure damage and numerous fires, complicating rescue efforts. Coastal town Wajima experienced a tsunami surge, potentially destroying around 1,000 houses. Residents recounted the terrifying experience of violent swaying, with many fortunate to escape physical harm but witnessing chaos and destruction. Nearly 1 lakh people sought refuge in emergency shelters, while power outages affected thousands of households. Access to water, especially in the northern Noto Peninsula, remained a significant challenge due to damaged infrastructure. The imperial household cancelled Emperor Naruhito and Empress Masako's scheduled New Year's appearance due to the disaster. International leaders, including US President Joe Biden, French President Emmanuel Macron, Italian Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni, and UK Prime Minister Rishi Sunak expressed condolences and readiness to assist Japan during this challenging time. The country faces immense challenges in the aftermath of this natural disaster, with extensive damage, loss of life, and ongoing rescue operations as they strive to support affected communities and rebuild affected areas. A Japan Airlines plane caught fire following an apparent collision with a smaller Coast Guard aircraft on the runway at Haneda Airport. The incident occurred after the arrival of the Japan Airlines Flight 516 from Sapporo, Hokkaido. All 379 passengers and crew on board the Japan Airlines plane were successfully evacuated. However, tragically, 5 out of the 6 crew members aboard the Coast Guard aircraft lost their lives while the captain sustained injuries. That's all for today's news. For more updates on these news, stay tuned with Eastern Paradigm.